These steps, your application to Italian university is not yet complete. In this video, I'm going to show you all the things that you need to know after you've applied to an Italian university to make your application complete. Though you might apply on the university portal, but without doing this step or following this step, then just count it that your application is not yet complete. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope this content meets you well at this time. In today's video, we'll be looking at the pre-enrollment on Universitaly website, where you're going to do your pre-enrollment for your application to be complete. If you are just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you can get aware whenever I drop a new video. Now let's take it one after the other. Pre-enrollment on Universitaly website is one of the major things that you need to know or you need to do if you want to apply to any Italian website. The first thing you have to do is not the pre-enrollment, but the first thing you have to do is you have to make research, know the university that you want to apply to, know the type of program or degree you want to apply to. Then when you read all the requirements, put all your documents together, then you want to apply to this university, pay your application fee. Most of the application fee are not so much. I've seen an application fee of 30 euro. The one I did for a friend is around 30 years, exactly 30 euro. That's what we pay for the application fee, and IELTS was waived. So if you are coming from a country where English is a language of instruction like Ghana, Nigeria, you can prove to them that all your previous education is taught in English, so you will not need to write your IELTS, but at some stage you might still need to provide a proof that all your courses are being taught in English. Now, when you've applied to the university, then one thing you want to do right now is to open your browser. When you open your browser, then you want to search for this Universitaly. When you search for this Universitaly, the first link on the page is the one that you have to click on. Okay, so people that are choosing degree program in Italy are required to fill the pre-enrollment form. They have to register, and when they register, you'll be asked to select your institution. So this is one of the reasons you have to apply to the school, because we are going to provide the information from your application to the school also on this Universitaly. So what they are majorly doing is that it's like a central application. Okay, so but you are going to send your application to the school first, get your admission letter, get everything, all the documents, then you have to come to this website. Okay, so as you can see right now, I've translated to English. Okay, so you can translate to English. Then what you need to do is you can just go on this page. So I'm going to drop the link. As you can see it on the screen now, it's flashing on the screen now, so you can just copy it. I will also drop it at the description of the video so that you can go there and read more information for yourself. Okay, so one thing you want to do first is that you want to click on this icon. So when you click on that icon, it will change it to English. Then when you change it to English, you can see now that everything is right now in English. Then you will see here international students pre-enroll now. So most schools in Italy, their application is going on right now, and some of them is going to close by February 2023. So if you are coming across this video right now, make haste, put all your documents together and apply right now, because most of the school session is going to start by September. Before you apply for your visa, put all documents together, proof of fund and all of that, your class is going to start by September 2023. Okay, but the time they are taking admission is now. And some schools, the one I did for a friend, uh the schools is accepting admission right now, and their admission period is this year till February 2023. Okay, so you don't want to miss it if you want to study in Italy in 2023. Okay, so one thing you want to do right now is you can click on why and how to register. So when you click on that, that's the first thing. If you've not registered on this page before, so I want you to follow me step by step. So you click on this join now. When you click on this join now, then you provide few information about yourself. When you click that, then you provide your name, your surname, your country of birth, districts, birth district, city of birth, date of birth, your gender, citizenship, then your Italian tax code. Okay, so you might not have that, so I will show you how to generate your Italian tax code. So right now, let me quickly fill all the information. Okay, so date of birth 10th March 1930. Okay, let's make it 2003. Okay, then gender male, then citizenship, that's Nigeria. Okay, so as you can see here, they've generated a task code for you. Okay, so you can use this, or you can also go on your browser and search for Italian task code fiscal. So you can also do that, but you can click on this and put your task code here. When you click on that, then you want to put in your email. Okay, so put your phone number, then put your identity card. So which identity card do you want to use? I will advise you just use any of these. So I will use my passport. You can use your driver license. So the passport number, the passport issue by, then the valid period, then your home uh, official home residence. Okay, that's the country where you are applying for right now. So you might be a Ghanaian and you are applying for Cameroon, so just put all the information there. Okay, then you put everything. Once you put everything, then you click on save. Then after you provide that information, you will get a confirmation email. Then when you click that confirmation email, then you just log. Okay, so right now I'm logging. Let me save my password. I'm logging right now, as you can see. So I'm logging. So what you want to do right now is to click on international students. You click on this international student, then you click on pre-enroll now. When you click on pre-enroll now, then you're going to see information just like this. So just go to click on this. Okay, so don't forget, this is one of the steps that you need to take for your application to be complete. Okay, so you just scroll down. Okay, so you scroll down, you see your details, then you have to click on this, go to step B. When you go to step B, then you have to upload some documents. Okay, so you have to upload your documents. You upload your passport, you upload your valid passport, upload a passport, that's a passport photograph. This is your passport photograph, and this is your international passport. Okay, so you see now, you just fill all this information. Then when you fill all this information, you will get to this stage where they will ask you to select your institution name. So you select your institution name, then you select the name of your institution. So let me select this. Then I'll come here to select uh I'll come here to select the university I apply to. Then after that, you click if you apply for masters or BSc. So if it's BSc, then you go for Laurea. Then if it's masters, it's Laurea Magistrate. Okay. Then if it's PhD, you go for this Doctorato the researcher. Okay, then you put the name of your course here. When you put that, these are some of the documents that you need to upload into the portal. Okay, so one of the documents, so when you do this, then you go to step B. Okay, because I've not uploaded this now, I don't want to upload this right now because I want to make some adjustments. So one of the, after the steps shown here, then you want to go to step C. Then on the step C, what you want to do right now is you will be asked to upload your document. So one of the documents you want to upload is your high school diploma. Make sure that you translate this to Italian and you legalize it by the authority of the company that issued this degree. So, and you must make sure that all your academic certificates are complete, your transcript, everything, your means of identification, your passport, everything, any certificate of competence that you can use to support your application. Okay, so if you come from a country like Nigeria, you might want to upload your WAEC. If you are going for bachelor program, you upload your WAEC, upload your CV, upload motivation letter and some other documents. Okay, just to back up your application. Then if you're applying for your master's program, you want to make sure that you upload uh, your transcripts that have the GPA and the CGPA, everything complete and is clear enough to read, is readable. Make sure you scan it, you save it as PDF. Okay, so this is one of the mistakes that people do. Make sure you save those scanned documents as PDF, your degree certificate and all your letters. And also don't forget to upload your admission letter that is issued to you by the university you apply to. Okay, one thing you have to do before these steps is that make sure you apply to a school and get your admission before you begin this process, because you have to put in the name of the university you apply to and the type of program that you apply to and the type of language you apply to. So if you apply to an English, a program that is taught in English, you want to select English here. And if you apply to a program taught in Italy, in Italian, then you must make sure that you have you have proficiency in Italian language. Okay, so I hope this information is very useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification. Let me know if you have any question, and if you check the comment box, you see me my email in case you have other question you want us to discuss about, you want to apply to a school, you are finding it difficult to navigate the process. Feel free, book live session with me where we can walk through the application process together. I will never tell you to send me your login password or anything to do the process for you. You log into your system, we do everything together. I prompt you, press this, then we do it together, then we win together. Okay, see you guys, love you all.